Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best woodworking shaper is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any serious woodworker's arsenal, capable of creating intricate profiles, joints, and decorative edges with unparalleled precision and efficiency, transforming raw lumber into beautifully crafted pieces that stand the test of time and impress with their detail. Number 5. KBETHOS USA Military Vintage Baseball Cap. Show your support with this vintage distressed baseball cap. It features a classic design with a touch of Americana. This hat proudly displays the thin blue line and thin red line symbols. It's a great way to honor our first responders. The vintage distressed look gives it a timeless, worn-in feel. It's perfect for everyday wear. Designed for everyone, this cap offers an adjustable strap for a comfortable, custom fit. It suits all head sizes. Experience the relaxed comfort of a classic dad hat. It's versatile and stylish for any casual occasion. Crafted with attention to detail, this hat is built to last. It's a durable and meaningful accessory. What we like. This hat offers a classic, worn-in style that's perfect for casual wear. Its adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for most head sizes. If you appreciate a relaxed, retro aesthetic and need a versatile accessory, this is a great choice. What people say. The shape is not overwhelming. It is a low-profile hat, it sits nicely on my head and is incredibly comfortable. The distressed look is great. The fabric is super soft. The clasp is not cheap-looking, with a nice metal buckle that is easy to adjust, but doesn't dig into the scalp. The patches can be swapped out, adding to the functionality of the product. They ship fast, are very well made, and fit perfectly. The hat's material is good quality and feels anything but cheap. I like the adjustable features too. Definitely a quality item. The mid-crown height, 4 inches, is perfect. They fit comfortably. The actual colors are slightly darker than the photos depict, but it's not a serious issue. Number 4. Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table. Turn your corded rotary tool into a precision wood shaper. It's perfect for creating slots, shaping edges, and sanding both regular and irregular shapes with ease. This attachment easily mounts to any tabletop workspace. Its compact design makes it simple to store when you're finished with your project. Featuring simple-to-grip plastic knobs with screwdriver slots, assembly is a breeze. A depth adjustment screw lets you set the perfect cut depth every time. The 3-way adjustable fence ensures accurate detail and a smooth finish. Its compact worktable is ideal for light-duty detail projects. This attachment is compatible with a wide range of Dremel tool models. It's designed to fit models 100, 200, 3000, 4000, 8220, 8240, 8250, and 8260. Achieve perfect sanding, shaping, and trimming of edges. This tool is your go-to for detailed woodworking tasks. What we like. Transform your existing rotary tool into a versatile benchtop shaper with this attachment. It's ideal for small workshops or those needing a portable solution for detailed edge work. If you're looking to add precise shaping, grooving, or sanding capabilities without a large machine, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Works well with my 8250 cordless Dremel rotary tool with a round over bit. I clamped the router table to my BND workmate with a couple of Irwin quick clamps. The router table was secure and stable. If your rotary tool has a collet that reveals screw threads under it to mount it, this will fit. When you screw the Dremel on, make sure you tighten it all the way with the provided wrench, and that the little push knob to unscrew the router bit is facing the front opening. The fence has enough little notches that you need to cover it with a piece of wood so your pieces don't get caught on them. The piece cut cleanly and straight. Success. The unit is made mostly from plastic, and isn't as rigid as I would like, but still very workable and a great value at the price. Number 3. Woodhaven 526 Professional Coping Sled. Introducing the safest way to make cope cuts on your router table or shaper. It securely holds your stock while keeping your hands safely away from the bit. You'll never want to cope without it. Experience superior stability with two 500-pound toggle clamps, providing a total of 1,000 pounds of clamping force. These clamps position anywhere along the fence for a zero-movement cut, regardless of stock width or profile. This tool features a larger, heavy-duty phenolic base for enhanced stability. It stays perfectly flat under heavy clamping, ensuring repeatability for cabinet shops and production work. The adjustable steel miter bar ensures a snug, slop-free fit in your miter slot. It offers multiple mounting locations for optimal placement, and can also be used fence-only for shapers without miter slots. Proudly designed and built in the USA, this product comes with a lifetime guarantee. It's backed by Woodhaven's commitment to quality against defects in material or workmanship. What we like. This accessory provides the safest method for making cope cuts on your router table or shaper. With its robust dual clamping system, it holds your workpiece with exceptional stability. If you prioritize safety, precision, and repeatability in joinery, especially for cabinet shops or production work, this is an essential tool. What people say. The coping sled is beefy, the hold-downs are well padded and very secure, the miter slot bar has nylon adjusters to eliminate play and slop, and the whole thing is quite professional. Even before assembly, it was obvious every component was well made and high quality. Once assembled, this tool proved to be a solid and stable addition to the shop. I used mine with the miter slot on my table and it produced a perfectly square coped door rail the first time. The main problem with this type of product is the lack of structural rigidity. Reviews of cheaper products pointed out that the bases were flexible and that caused the product to warp and flex, performing poorly. I have used the Sled dozens of times and it makes a good cut, is completely rigid and is adequately adjustable. Number 2. Mr. Penn Metal Carpenter Square. Introducing the Mr. Penn Metal Carpenter Square, your essential tool for precise measurements. It's designed for accuracy in all your projects. This versatile L-square features both 8 and 12-inch legs, with precise inside and outside measurements. It's built to handle any task. Easily switch between systems with both imperial and metric markings. Get accurate readings with 1/16-inch and millimeter graduations. Our bright white markings on a black background ensure excellent readability. You can quickly and clearly see your measurements. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this ruler is built to last. It's sturdy, durable, and resistant to rust. Ideal for framing, roofing, stair work, and creating layouts. It's also great for woodworking and DIY projects, ensuring perfect angles every time. What we like. This tool offers a reliable and easy-to-read solution for precise measurements. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity, while the dual imperial and metric scales cater to various project needs. If you're a DIY enthusiast, carpenter, or woodworker who values accuracy and durability in a measuring tool, this is a solid option. What people say. Smooth, yet hefty, accurate measurements and an excellent square will make this a go-to tool in my paper crafting and stamping arsenal. Works well and doesn't shift around during use. This Carpenter Square is durable and very accurate. The markings are clear and the overall quality feels reliable. Great functionality, strong durability. This is a framing square marked on one side in inches, graded down to 16 ths of an inch, and on the other side in centimeters, graded down to millimeters. Measurement ticks are marked on both the inside and outside edges, and 0 is spot on, at the corners. The square is strong, steel, I believe, and at least 1 mm thick. There is a hole near the corner, which I presume is for hanging the square on a nail. Number 1. Amana Tool SC589 Carbide Tipped Ogee Stile and Rail Cutter. Introducing the Amana Tool SC589, a carbide tipped 3-wing Ogee reversible stile and rail cutter. It's designed for exceptional precision in your woodworking projects. This tool offers versatility with bore options of 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch. This adaptability ensures it fits a wide range of shaper machines. Achieve a clean 1-inch cutting height with this cutter. It's engineered to deliver consistent and high-quality results on your stile and rail profiles. Featuring a 3/16-inch radius, this cutter allows for detailed shaping. It's perfect for creating elegant Ogee profiles with accuracy. Constructed with durable carbide tips, this cutter ensures longevity and superior performance. Experience efficient and reliable cutting for all your stile and rail needs. The reversible design of this stile and rail shaper cutter maximizes its lifespan. You can rely on its performance for numerous applications. What we like. This cutter is designed for creating professional stile and rail profiles with ease. Its reversible nature and carbide tips ensure durability and clean cuts. If you're involved in cabinet making or furniture production and need to create specific Ogee profiles for doors or frames, this specialized cutter will deliver excellent results. What people say. I had never used a reversible stack set of shaper cutters before, but these worked great. This was a one-time deal to match existing cabinet doors on a project, and I did not want to spend $250 on a regular set, but at $58 these worked great. It is the usual high Amana quality but was not usable as a reversible cutter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.